happy Saturday. Just having some coffee out on the patio. It's a beautiful day today. It is nice and cool, and it feels so good to wake up in the morning and it not be hot. So I'm just gonna sit out here and enjoy my little coffee. I already had breakfast, and I am just gonna do that until I get ready for the day. So I don't think I have much planned today. There is an apple orchard around here that I really wanted to go today, but there's just so many things I have too much to do. And that orchard will be open till about November, so there's plenty of time to go to that. So I'm just gonna finish up my coffee and my Rae Dunn. I love this mug. I really do love this mug. And I'm not crazy I'm not crazy about the color because I like color, but this is a big old mug. And it holds a lot of coffee, so I like that. I'm gonna try to go to the market today because we need a couple of things, but I'm not gonna do that until later on because I know if I go now, it is going to be a madhouse there. Everyone is gonna be shopping for Labor Day, so food shopping for Labor Day, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll wait till tonight to go and buy a couple of things for the house, and then the grass has to be cut, so I don't know if the Hubs is gonna do it. If not, I'll do it. I don't have a problem with that, and I do it quite often. So just gonna trim that grass a little bit because it's looking kind of crazy. I don't know if you can see it behind me, in front of the house and in back and in the backyard. So I'll do that, and then just enjoy the rest of the weekend because I am off Monday and I am so happy about that extra day. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, I did purchase, it's early in the morning, that's why I'm looking a little crazy, but you guys are used to me looking crazy anyway. I did stop by Marshall's yesterday because I am so excited for all of the fall stuff they have out. I am super excited. It makes me so happy, and you guys know that that is my favorite season, and I love fall colors all year round. So just to see those candles and all of that fall stuff it made me so happy. So I purchased I think a couple of candles. I'll show you what I got. I'll be right back. Marshall's, and near the job, not the one near the house. And that one was a little crowded, but I found these in the clearance section, and these are coasters. So, and they were only $6. It's upside down. $6, and I think that the original price $7.99. So not a huge difference, but these are so pretty. And I have coasters, but these will do for now. These are not. I'm not that happy about them, but I needed them because I've purchased some other ones. Now let me show you the ones that I purchased from Marshall's before. And I went in there actually looking for a shaker bottle for my protein shakes, but I didn't find anything that I was really interested in. So these were the ones that I had purchased about 3 years ago from Marshall's, and they didn't come with a case like these, like a holder. They didn't have those, but let me tell you something. These are pretty, and they're really pretty. It's like half marble and half wood, but I suggest you not purchase these if you're going to have a lot of moisture on them. So if you're going to put down wet drinks on these for long periods of time, it's not gonna work, because what ends up happening is, you see where the wood and the marble meet, this area starts to break off. And I received 4 coasters in the set, and this is the last one that I have left because I wound up throwing out the other 3. Although these are really pretty and I love them, but they're not going to work because they end up breaking, and you can't glue them back because no. So I threw out the other 3, but I'm really, really upset that that happened to these, because these, I really like these. So just a little FYI. So I purchased these coasters. See how that works for now. And then I purchased 2 candles. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. This smells so good. And the candles, I think, were, what, $9, $10? $9.99. So, $10. And this is in the scent, are you focused? White pumpkin. This, guys, smells so good. So good. It's like pumpkin with like some type of fragrance or something. I've never smelled this one before. And these are like the Yankee Candle. Well, they're Village Candle, but they're like the Yankee Candle dupes. These really work, and the scent is strong. So it leaves off a really strong scent, a really good scent. So I got the white pumpkin. Okay, don't fall. Don't fall. Stay there. And then I also purchased the, all right, let's see, which one is this one? And I love cinnamon, guys. This is just the cinnamon stick. And I love this scent for the kitchen. I mean, I like it for the entire house, but I really like this scent for the kitchen. And this is a really strong cinnamon scent. It's really strong. I can't wait to burn these, guys. So, yeah. And this was also $9.99. So I'm really looking forward to burning these candles. And I think I'm pretty much done with the summer candle that's on the stove. So I'm gonna wind up putting this baby up next. Can't wait. All right. See you guys in a bit. Quickly share that I also stopped at Walgreens to get a couple of things for my mom and myself. But I bought a Nivea chapstick, which is my favorite chapstick. It really is. And then I also came across this lippy, and it's a gloss. And this is from Rimmel. And I'm not quite sure what the name of it is, but I know that this is from the Stay Glossy brand. It doesn't really have a name. All I see is a number, which is 19. So I don't know if you guys come across this. It's a pink in shade, and I absolutely love this. It's really nice. It gives you a nice light shade of pink, and this is good for all skin complexions. It's such a pretty glossy color. It really is. So if you come across the Rimmel, try it out, guys. And they have it in Walgreens. And I think this was about maybe $5, $6. But I wanted a new lippy. I needed a new lip gloss, actually, and I am really liking this one. All right, so I see you guys in a bit. Just wanted to show you a shipment that I received. And if you've watched any of my previous videos from a while back, you guys all know that I always purchase, excuse me, cat, that I always purchase from this company, Boxed. And I've unboxed several boxes from this website before. So I always have it linked below so you guys can go and check it out. But this is what I received in this box. Just to give you an idea of the things that I always purchase. I always purchase these paper towels from Prince & Spring all the time because the quality is excellent. And I have yet to find anything in the supermarket or any Bounty towels in the supermarket of this same quality and this price. I haven't found any. This is why I always purchase it from Boxed. And I get 12 rolls here, and this came out to about $13. Okay, and the quality is excellent, so this will last me a while. Something else that I always get from Boxed are these Cottonelle flushable wipes, because this is how many you get, people. 336. 336 count. So I'll get like 8 packs. 8 of these come in this box. So a total of 336. And this was about maybe $11 or something like that. So you really can't beat it. I purchased these this time. Well, you always get a free gift. or 2 free gifts actually from Box. So you get to choose your free gifts first, and then you purchase. So I know that I've purchased these before. No, I've received these as a free gift before, and the hubs just absolutely loved these. So I got one, and these are in cinnamon flavor. So I got him a whole box, and he is gonna be so happy. So this box, I think they're way smaller in size. I don't know if you can tell, but these are in the flavor cinnamon, which he absolutely loves, and the Fuji and Reds flavor. Not sure what that one tastes like yet, but I know he's gonna be so happy. Okay, and this is another item that I always purchase from them as well, and it's from the Prince & Spring. And this is bath tissue. So you get 30 rolls here, and of course here are all the details. 5 to 6 roll packs, ply sheets and stuff like that. So I always buy these 3 items. I always purchase it from them: the wipes, the toilet tissue, and the Bounties, all of the time, because it's really worth it and it really lasts me a long time. So that was it for this purchase. When I receive others, because it's usually the same thing, that's why I really haven't been showing you, because I always get especially these 3 items. But if I do purchase anything different, then I will unbox them for you. All right, guys, see you later.